In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Grok AI in Twitter RX. Grok is the AI experience built into X, and in a few minutes, you'll know exactly where to find it, how to start a conversation, review your past chats, switch to private mode, and even create and edit images without leaving the platform. Start by opening your browser and searching for X. From the results, choose the official Twitter link, which now directs to X. Once you're on the X homepage, you may be prompted to sign in depending on your settings. After that, you're ready to find Grok. Inside X, look for Grok in the interface. It typically appears in the sidebar or as a dedicated entry within the Explore or More options area. Click on Grok to open the AI workspace. This brings you into a focused environment designed for chatting, researching, and creating right inside X. Next, click on Prompt. This is the main text box where you talk to Grok. Type clearly about what you want. Ask for a summary of a topic, draft a reply, brainstorm ideas, or request a quick explainer. The more specific you are, the better the output. If you're referencing something you saw on X, add context like a brief description or a link so Grok understands what you mean. When you want to revisit past conversations, click on History. This view helps you quickly scan previous queries, pick up where you left off, and reuse prompts that worked well. It's great for tracking research threads or retrieving content you generated earlier. If you prefer more discretion, click on Private. This mode acts like an incognito session for Grok within X. It's useful when you're drafting sensitive ideas or experimenting with prompts you don't want tied to your main history. Keep in mind that private sessions may reduce personalization, so results can be a bit more general. Ready to go visual? Click on Create Images. Describe the scene you want with details like subject, style, color palette, and mood. You can mention a format or aspect ratio if that matters for your post. If the first result isn't quite right, refine your prompt to nudge composition, lighting, or texture. To polish visuals you've made, click on Edit Images, use the available tools to adjust, enhance, or generate variations. While you're iterating, you can also do some research. Ask Grok for references, style notes, or background information that can inspire your edits and captions. That's it. You've located Grok, started prompting, reviewed history, gone private when needed, and created and refined images, all within X.